Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money simply by watching YouTube videos. And this is a new method for 2021. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram account and I'm trying to get my followers up on that account. So after you watch this video, go over to Instagram and follow me. It's at AppGrind, and you're going to be able to learn a lot of things about business and entrepreneurship. And if you have any questions about any of my videos, you can DM me. Or if you have any suggestions about videos you want me to make in the future, you can also put that in my DMs. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. And make sure you are subscribed, guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, family. I'm in the Google Play Store, and I pulled up this app called Full Dive Browser, Fast Money Browser. So with this app, guys, you will be able to use this browser to make money watching YouTube videos. But you can also browse to other websites and do a lot of other stuff with this browser and make money. Now, let's just learn a little bit about it. So it says here, browse in light speed, share goodness. So browse 8x faster, block ads, and earn coins to feed children as you browse. So guys, when you browse and earning money, you're going to also be able to help some starving children out there. So you're going to be doing good deeds too, guys. And also, guys, you'll be able to browse, play games, watch videos to earn crypto and gift cards. So while you're browsing, you're going to be earning crypto and gift cards, guys. And not only you can watch videos, you can play games. So this is going to be a fun way, guys, to make some money watching videos and doing other things like playing games. And again, you're going to be able to feed a child, plant a tree, save an animal as you browse. How about that, guys? I've never heard of an app that does all this while you're just browsing and getting paid. Okay, let's scroll down here and read a little bit more. So it says Full Dive Browser is a cash rewards browser that earns you money and rewards and gift cards by doing what you love: listening to music, browsing, watching videos, and you better download videos and make money too that way. So make money and get cash rewards, guys. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.7, which is excellent, guys, because anything over 4.0 is a very, very good app, guys. And this app is almost to 5 stars. So you know this is a good app, guys. So they have a lot of reviews on here. And I'm not going to read all these reviews, guys. You can, once you come here, you can go down there and read them for yourself and, see what people are saying. I just want to talk about this right quick for you guys. I show you a lot of ways to make money watching videos on here. And this is a brand new way. So I've never talked about making money watching videos this way. So that's why I wanted to just share this with you guys today. So if you're ready to get started, now this is only on Google Play, guys. Go to browser, fast money browser to get started. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day and I don't want you to miss out. Okay, guys, one more thing I want to do before I go. I want to do a shout out, and the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment in the comment section and I flash it on the screen. So today's comment goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate you checking me out. Keep watching my videos, keep dropping comments, and keep sharing them. Help this channel to grow. All right, guys. Thanks again. Road to 7,000. Let's go. Let's get there. This is the month of October. I want to get there before the end of October, guys. Let's get to 7,000, guys, because I'm ready to give away this free money to 2 people. All right. That's it, guys. One more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.